In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook account permanently. We'll do this on a laptop or desktop, and I'll point out a few helpful options along the way so you can leave with confidence. First, open Facebook, click your profile picture or the menu in the top right, and choose Settings and Privacy. This opens the area where all your account controls live. Next, click Settings. You'll see a new page with several categories. From here, open the Meta Account Center. This is where Facebook centralizes controls that can apply across Meta services. Inside Account Center, go to Personal Details. This section holds the tools related to your identity and how your account is managed. Now select Account Ownership and Control. This is the place for major actions like deactivation and deletion. Choose deactivation or deletion. On this screen, you'll see the difference. Deactivation is temporary and hides your profile, while deletion is intended to be permanent. If you're sure you want to leave for good, choose Delete Account. Keep in mind, Facebook typically offers a short grace period to cancel if you change your mind, but after that, deletion can't be undone. Before moving on, Facebook will ask why you're deleting your account. Pick the reason that fits you best or continue if you'd prefer not to provide details. This step helps Facebook understand user feedback but doesn't change the outcome. You'll then see helpful options. You may be reminded that Messenger is tied to your Facebook account. If you delete your account, your messages and access to Messenger will go away. You can also choose to save your post to your archive and export your information. If you want a copy of your photos, messages, and other data, use the export option now. This ensures you have anything you want to keep before your account is removed. When you're ready, proceed and confirm. Facebook will ask you to enter your password to verify it's really you. Type your password carefully and follow any additional prompts you see, such as security checks. Finally, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, your account enters the deletion process. If you sign back in during any available grace period, you may be able to cancel, but once the window passes, your account and data are permanently removed. That's it. You've successfully navigated to the right place, reviewed your options, exported what you need, and confirmed deletion. Thanks for watching and take care.